Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add page numbers in Word without removing header. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add page number in Word without removing header. Firstly go to the Insert menu. Then click page number drop down menu and choose any page number like top of page or bottom of page, page margin, etc. Now I select the top of page. Then select the format plain number 3. Then click the side and go back the insert menu. Then click text box and select draw text box. Then draw a text box on the left of the page number, then write header text. Then select the text and increase the font size. Go back the home menu, then increase the font size and applying another effect. Then click the text box and go to the format menu. Then choose text outline and choose no outline. Then go to the design menu and choose close header and footer. Now we can see here we added page numbers in Word without removing header very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.